I took this photo of Ben and Phoebe thinking it might be the last time I see them. They were both very sick throughout the night and decided to take a break. I had already lost much time, so I went on ahead. Spooked him and he took off, and that's what he was munching on. It's like the remnants of a turkey vulture. Despite being sick, Ben and Phoebe decided to slowly push on. Greg contacts me to let me know. I wait, self-service his body. Eventually we make contact and decide that I best move on and that we would try to hook up tomorrow for Lake Champlain crossing. We make our way to Stony Point Camp and find it to be infested with mosquitoes and overgrown grass. Using Google Maps, we find a private campground 2 miles away across the lake. I explain our predicament and they let us stay the night for free. I went to bed feeling very sick. I would get up 6 times to make runs to the bathroom. Sometimes successful, sometimes not so much. Finally fell asleep at 4:30 a.m. only to wake up at 6. We needed an early start to finish our crossing of Lake Champlain. On 2 occasions, I caught myself sleeping while paddling, almost falling into the river. Sadly, my only photo of the day. With our sick days now behind us, we are running on all 4 cylinders as a group. Ben and I checking out the unusual rubber dam at Highgate. We are at East Highgate, fighting wind and current, getting ready for the portage around these Class 2 rapids. And there's our highway, 78. Doesn't look too friendly.
Oh no, you go ahead.
No, it's okay. And then I'll like make sure the cars move out of the way.
All right.
Yeah.
Back.
Watching Ben up ahead pulling his canoe cart with ease while I struggle with mine up this long, steep hill made me realize what a wrong choice I made in canoe carts.
Oh, shit.
The harder the pavement got, the softer the wheels got. It felt like pulling a car with 4 flat tires. Something had to be done. I still had some long and difficult portages in the days and weeks ahead. Always looking for the path of least resistance, we jump on the rail trail for a somewhat easier alternative. Phoebe the flower child makes a crown, and crowns Ben prince for the day. We continue down the trail with thoughts of maple creamy ice creams in our heads. Somebody say ice cream? This would be my last journal entry. Just too tired to think in the evening. Phoebe, on the other hand, took it right till the end faithfully. Thankfully, the rain didn't start until after we packed up all our gear. We take advantage of a farmer's road that runs parallel to the river to get around a short set of Class 2 rapids. The Missisquoi River has a total of 74 miles of upstream paddling that takes us straight up into the Canadian border.
You got it? We can get in ours and kind of like hold your boat to the side. This might be good. It gets really slippery pretty quick. Whoa. Yeah.
All right. What's up? I'm just going in.
Practicing ferrying and working with the river. All these things would come in handy as the days and weeks progressed.
You did good. Your first ferry, I think. Left angle. Left angle. There you go.
M&Ms did not survive the journey. Clearing weather for the afternoon. Banga very proficient at handling the maps and the apps.
I'm in the eddy right now, and the high water is really making it difficult to make it up to the border. But we're pushing on. Sometimes stubbornness gets the best of us. So we could have took the road, but we really wanted to say that we crossed the border in our canoes. There goes Ben and Phoebe making their way up. Okay, paddle strong. Dogged determination sometimes will get you there. And here's the bridge. I believe that's U.S. Customs building right back there. Ben and Phoebe opted to take out over here the bridge. There's a pretty strong feeder stream coming up on River Right. So they're gonna take out there, go up on the bridge and get on the road and put back in where they can.
We regroup at Canoe Company, a canoe and kayak rental outfitter. A very nice gentleman who also happens to speak English very well. He lets us use his facility where we have lunch and charge some of our electronics. He also gives us a wealth of information of what to expect upriver. He also has a launch site about 5 miles upriver that he says that we can use. It has a porta-john, a fire pit, and a storage building that happens to be empty, and we use it to camp overnight. Ben and Phoebe are both avid foodies. Love hearing them talk about food. Glad we took the outfitter's advice. We fuel up at this gastronomic French bakery and then some for the road.
And it's got a hellacious climb, as you can see. My partner's already almost at the top of the hill. It's basically 1 foot in front of the other. One and a half miles to go. This is what I do, keep switching back and forth.
With the Grand Portage now behind us, we launch our canoes on Lake Memphremagog and head south at 12 miles back to the U.S. border, Newport, Vermont. All that French bakery food must have gave us a massive boost of energy. We just didn't know when to stop. At the end of the day, we just kept going when we probably should have camped. Thinking that we could make Yaledale lean-to by nightfall proved wrong. We were hampered by difficult, slippery Class 2 rapids on the Clyde River traveling upstream. The insects were horrendous, especially as the sun was going down. We had to turn on our headlamps in order to see where we were stepping. This also turned our headlights into a massive beacon for the thousands of flying insects. As we were picking our way up the rapids, we would finally make our destination. Thankful that we were all intact, both physically and mentally, after a 27-mile day. After a good night's sleep in a lean-to, and thoughts of yesterday so far behind us, we are so ready to tackle this day, knowing that we have hot showers, laundry, and a layover day to look forward to. Hoo-hoo!
Slog up the Clyde. Oh, yeah. There's current going both ways, but yeah, then we should go left. Can you sneak through there? I'm messing with my camera. I'm not paying attention. I was playing with my camera. I wasn't. Man, if I was a fish, I swear to God, I'd fight that son of a bitch. Look how it's jumping out of the water. Right? I mean, that looks enticing.
Clyde River Farm and Forest is where we ended up camping. Unfortunately, there was no rooms available at their guest house, so Bill Manning, the owner, allowed us to camp on his farm. He also gave us the keys to his four-wheeler and use of his home for showers and laundry. At his kitchen table, we went over maps and what to expect further up the Clyde River. Ava gives us a ride in her car, appropriately named Marshmallow, to Newport, Vermont, just about 20 miles down the road. We stopped to pick up my resupply, have lunch, and walk around town. Ben and Phoebe going over timing and logistics so we could meet up with their friends on the Connecticut River where we would paddle and camp. They would also be bringing my canoe cart that I had ordered through Amazon and had delivered to Ben and Phoebe's place. Dig!
victory! Oh, it's a tough one. Up to my waist in water. Several blowdowns. Quite the mess, guys. You made the right choice of taking out. I mean, I'm soaked. I think this is a fisherman's trail, kind of I think the rapid is just up ahead, you can see it. The class 2. We had the portage anyway. So we're putting in right here because we can't go any further. The rock is very slippery and slimy, so we have to be careful in lining our boat upriver. Fuck the Clyde. Yeah, it's a tough one. Way to go, Ben. Take the weight off the boat. You got it. There's another one. Oh, man. Can't paddle up this one. No, it ain't gonna happen. I'm gonna go over here and try to lift over. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Well, I tried it 3 times. Could not get over it. Here they go. Here they go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, no, no. That was a valid effort. Oh. Like the Vikings. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. We tried. What a bullshit day they've been. This is some crazy shit. We're following a side stream here to try to avoid some class 2 rapids. So here we are going over several little beaver dams. Alright. How the hell am I gonna do this? So we're going up a Class 4 Beaver tributary to pass up on a Class 2 rapid. That's okay. That looks pretty thick. One, two, three. One more. Four. Hold on. One more. At least we're out of those. It wasn't easy, guys. All right. Let's take a break, take a water break, relax. What do you want? Howdy. Good, how are you? Yeah, not too much. Exactly. No, we're not fishing. We're on the trail.
After 2 very difficult days on the river, we settle in at Mulligan River Camp, knowing that we have a couple of easy days coming up.